Alright, so here at MRH, we often use processing in physics class to create sketches and to write code. There are two versions of processing that are popular now. One is P5.js and the other one is P3. P3 is a bit older and they have a lot of similar functionality and similar syntax, but there are some differences, and so we'll just go over really quickly what the basic differences are. With P5, to set up a window for your sketch, you type create canvas and tell it how wide and tall you want it to be. And then if you want to draw an ellipse that's not moving or not dynamic or anything, you can just leave it in setup. So let's do it in the center, and we'll make it 150 pixels wide and tall. And let's add a fill here to make it blue. There we go. So now when we run this code, we've drawn a blue ellipse. And if I take that same code and paste it into P3 like this, you can see there is an error because it doesn't know what function means. You want to use void, and it does not know what create canvas means. You want to use size. So just a little syntax tweak there will help you run this code over in P3, and you can see we get the exact same thing. So let's copy this and look, just in case you're using a Chromebook, which most of the freshmen in MRH will be. You want to go to openprocessing.org so that you can run this in the Chrome browser. If we create a sketch, by default it's in P5.js mode. You can see here under settings and mode, it's highlighted here as P5.js. And you'll notice the syntax matches because we have function and create canvas. Here we're drawing ellipses that follow the mouse. That's just sort of built into open processing. But if I want to paste in that code that we were just making with the blue circle and I press play, it's confused because it's in P5 mode and I've run P3 syntax. So if I switch to processing.js instead of P5.js, now it will be able to run this code and I get my blue circle again. Right, so in summary, make sure you go to openprocessing.org, sign up for a free account. It will allow you to save and post your sketches online. You'll be able to send links to people to share them. And also, it allows you to do P5 sketches and P3 sketches. Both are great. The main advantage to working with P3 is it's a bit older, and so in terms of resources online and stuff like that, there's a lot more things available to sort of teach you how to code with P3. But P5 is fantastic and actually has somewhat greater functionality as well.